General elections were held in Kenya on 8 August 2017 to elect a president, members of the National Assembly and Senate. They coincided with the 2017 Kenyan local elections, which elected governors and representatives in the devolved governments. The published results showed that incumbent President Uhuru Kenyatta of the Jubilee Party had been re-elected with 54% of the vote. However, his main opponent, Raila Odinga of the Orange Democratic Movement, refused to accept the results and contested them in the Supreme Court. The results of the presidential election were subsequently annulled by the court, and fresh presidential elections was ordered to be held within 60 days. It was later announced that the elections would be held in October. The results of the parliamentary and local elections remained valid. The Jubilee Party retained its majority in the Senate, winning 34 of the 67 seats, and remained the largest party in the National Assembly with 171 of the 341 seats. The Orange Democratic Movement won 20 seats in the Senate and 76 in the National Assembly. The Kenyan constitution requires a general election on the second Tuesday in August in every fifth year. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.